The future of coding isn't humans versus AI, it's both. Embrace the synergy and pioneer the next wave. In the next minutes, 1. Where coding still wins. 2. What AI automates. 3. How to adapt fast. Stick around for actionable steps. Quick context. Coding's role is shifting, and here's why. It's a question that sparks debate in tech circles and beyond. And for good reason. Coding has powered innovation for decades. AI is changing how we use it. However, the need for coding is far from obsolete. Let's explore why. Coding, the foundation of innovation. Coding is still the language of technology we build on. Despite the rise of no-code platforms and AI-driven solutions, coding is still the fundamental building block of all software development. It offers the creative freedom to build custom solutions that no pre-made platform can match. Think of code as the canvas of the digital world. Custom solutions, unlike templates, coding allows for tailored applications that meet specific business needs. Problem solving. Coding teaches analytical thinking and problem-solving skills that are invaluable across all industries. Future-proof skills. As technology continues to evolve, understanding code becomes an asset in adapting and innovating. The evolving tech landscape is changing the game, but not the importance of code. While AI and automation reshape tasks, coding skills empower you to harness these tools effectively. Let's dig in. In this age of rapid technological advancement, coding is not just about writing lines of code. It is about understanding how technology works so you can leverage it effectively. Yes, AI can automate many processes, but someone needs to code that AI, right? The demand for skilled coders to manage and improve these systems remains high. Integration mastery. Coders are essential for integrating new technologies into existing systems seamlessly. Security and compliance. With cybersecurity threats on the rise, coding expertise is crucial for developing robust security protocols. Innovative edge. Companies with teams that understand coding often lead in innovation. They push boundaries that others only follow. While the tools and platforms we use may continue to evolve, the need for coding expertise is unwavering. It is not just about knowing a language. It is about being part of a larger conversation on how technology can shape the future. Coding is a skill that bridges the gap between ideas and implementation, ensuring that innovation continues to thrive. If you found this exploration insightful, please reach out directly to me with your thoughts or questions. All right. Let's break this down. We will explore the current role of human coders versus AI in the tech industry. We will look at the synergy between human creativity and machine efficiency and how this dynamic is shaping the future of innovation. While AI has made significant strides, the human element in coding remains irreplaceable. Human coders bring a unique perspective and creativity that AI simply cannot replicate. They have the ability to think outside the box, crafting solutions that are not only functional but also innovative. Creative problem solving. Humans can identify nuances and craft solutions that AI might overlook. This ability to create bespoke solutions is crucial in industries where customization is key. Emotional intelligence. Humans understand user needs in a way that AI cannot. This understanding is vital for creating user-friendly interfaces and experiences that resonate with real people. On the flip side, AI serves as a powerful tool that enhances the coding process. It can handle repetitive tasks with precision, freeing up human coders to focus on more complex challenges. Automation of routine tasks. AI can automate mundane coding tasks, increasing efficiency and reducing human error. Data analysis and predictions. AI excels at analyzing vast amounts of data, providing insights that help coders optimize their work for better performance and security. The future of coding is not about choosing between humans and AI, but leveraging both to drive innovation. The true potential lies in the collaboration between human coders and AI. Together, they form a powerful team that combines human intuition with machine power. Enhanced productivity. By automating routine tasks, AI allows human coders to dedicate more time to innovation and creativity. Innovative solutions. The partnership between human coders and AI leads to solutions that are both imaginative and efficient. It sets new standards in the tech industry. In this evolving landscape, The ability to code is not just a technical skill, but a strategic advantage. It empowers individuals to not only leverage AI tools, but also to shape the direction of technological progress. If you are ready to be a part of this exciting journey, please reach out directly to me. Let me welcome you back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic. Is the integration of AI in coding truly the game changer we have been waiting for, or is it just another tech buzzword? The paradigm shift in coding. The real essence of this transformation lies in how AI redefines the very fabric of coding. Gone are the days when coding was solely about manual syntax input. Today, AI empowers coders to transcend traditional barriers, unlocking new levels of efficiency and innovation. Seamless integration. AI tools are now seamlessly integrated into development environments, providing real-time suggestions and error detections that enhance the coding process. Accelerated development. With AI, the time taken from concept to deployment is drastically reduced. This acceleration is not just about speed, but also about maintaining high-quality standards. Embracing AI in coding is not merely about keeping up with trends. It is about staying ahead in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Scalability. AI-driven coding solutions allow projects to scale effortlessly, adapting to increased demands without compromising performance. Cost effectiveness. By automating repetitive tasks and minimizing errors, AI reduces the overall cost of development, providing a significant return on investment. Incorporating AI into your coding strategy is not just a choice, it is a necessity for those who aim to lead rather than follow. The true potential lies in the collaboration between human coders and AI. Enhance productivity. By automating routine tasks, AI allows human coders to dedicate more time to innovation and creativity. Innovative solutions. This partnership leads to solutions that are imaginative and efficient, setting new standards in the tech industry. In this evolving landscape, the ability to code empowers you to leverage AI tools and shape the direction of technological progress. If you are ready to explore the potential of AI in your work, please reach out directly to me. Thank you for looking forward to more discussions like this one. By embracing this synergy, you are not just coding, you are pioneering the future of technology. How to get started. Familiarize yourself with AI-enhanced tools available in the market. AI-powered code editors. Tools like GitHub, Copilot, and Kite can revolutionize your workflow by providing intelligent code suggestions. Online courses and tutorials. Invest time in learning platforms that offer courses on AI and coding integration. This knowledge will be invaluable as you navigate this new landscape. Ultimately, the decision to integrate AI into your coding practices will shape the trajectory of your career and projects. If you are eager to explore the potential of AI in your work, please reach out directly to me. Thank you for looking forward to more discussions like this one. Coding remains the language of technology. Even as AI accelerates how we build, it is not humans versus AI, it is humans with AI. Keep learning, keep shipping, and let your code shape the future. If this helped, drop a comment, reach out to me directly, and subscribe for more.